Hi friends, welcome to my channel TKF Electronics. So today I am repairing MITASHI home theater. This is the MITASHI home theater. I'll just show you the model number of this one. So this is the model number MITASHI HT-97BT. So this is the model. So we'll check it out. What's the issue in this? First we'll connect the power to it. I am switching on the power now. It's on. See, it is on now. Showing. So I'll put it on. It's on. So the problem in this is when there is no. I'll connect the USB. See guys, it's on but no sound. No sound, see, no sound. So this is the problem. So guys, there is no sound. So I'm connecting this also. See the sound. See, this is the problem. So we'll check it out now. What's the issue? So guys, now we'll switch it off first. I put it off. Now we'll remove the back cover. So we have removed the back cover. So we'll just disconnect the connector and front panel and speaker panel. Everything will connect. So guys, I have removed the wire, front panel wire and the speaker wire, everything. So we'll take it out now. So I remove it out, the complete circuit diagram, circuit from the unit. So now we'll check what's the issue in this. So there are several audio IC also there. Two output transistors are there and two audio IC is there. Well, there are two output transistors are there, this one and this one, and two audio IC are there, this and this. The number of these two IC is TDA 2030, and the number of these two transistors is PN, TIP41 and TIP42. So let's check they are shorted or something like that. We'll check it out. Well friends, these are the two output transistors. This is NPN, this is PNP. The number of this transistor is TIP41C and the number of this transistor is TIP42C. This is PNP, this is NPN. We'll check they are shorted, or we'll check whether those transistors are okay or not. I have kept in diode range. This is NPN. So reading is showing good, my friend. There is no shorting, and this is PNP. This is also showing very good reading. So these two output transistors, they are not shorted, they are okay. So then we'll check the diode over here. In diode range is okay, this diode okay, this diode okay. This is the power supply diode going supply to the audio IC. This is the audio IC. The number of these two IC is same, TDA 2030. So this IC also, just check whether this IC also gets shorted or not. We'll just check. Pin number 3, this is the pin number 3 of IC. This is the grounded IC. This is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not shorted somewhere with the ground. Pin number 1, this is okay, 2 okay, not shorted with the body. 3 is ground, 4 is okay, 5 is, this is the supply. 5, pin number 5 is a plus B supply. Supply is coming to the pin number 5 of this 2 IC. So this two transistors also got, ICs also got. So we'll check the supply voltage now. We'll give supply to this board and we'll check. So guys, I'm switching on now. So whenever you are checking voltages on live circuit, better give line in series. Do not connect directly to the power, connect it in series, so that's the safety. This is very safety. So I'm putting on now. I put it on. So we'll check the voltage. Switch is on. Yes, switch is on. Okay guys, we'll just connect this, reconnect it. So we'll check the voltage over here. See guys, here voltage is coming. This is going to the PNP NPN transistor. This is the collector of NPN transistor. See guys, this is the collector of NPN transistor. Okay, voltage. This is the collector of PNP transistor, minus 42. Okay, this is base 0.44. This is base 0.3. This is base of PNP, minus 0.44. So voltage on output transistor is good. Now we'll check the voltages on audio IC. Okay. So guys, this supply is going to the audio IC 37 volt. It is going like this. From here it is going, this is from here this is the fuse 1. See here voltage is coming, and from fuse, the other end of the fuse, it is going to the pin number 5. We can see this is the pin number 5. This is the pin number 5. It's coming only 13 volt. Only 13 volt. It should not be 13. It should be more than 30 volt, 36 volt, 36, 37 volt. But it's coming here 37 from here. So 37 is not going out from this fuse. So the voltage, high voltage to this audio IC is not reaching to the plus B supply pin number 5 of this 2 IC. So because of this, fuse is the problem. So we'll just put it off power and check the continuity of the fuse, whether the fuse is open or faulty. So guys, I have switched off the power. Now we'll check the fuse. This is the fuse. No my dear, fuse is not showing any, just charging, discharging like that. See, so it means the fuse. So we'll disconnect the fuse. So friends, I removed the fuse. It's a ceramic fuse of 3.15 ampere. The value of the fuse is, it's a ceramic fuse. Its the value is 3.15 ampere. So we'll check the continuity of the fuse. See guys, the fuse is blown off. But why the fuse is blown off? Because maybe the overload or something like that. But the IC is good, because I checked the shorting in the IC. There is no any shorting showing in the IC with the body, with the ground. I mean, see, there is no any shorting. No any shorting. See. So we'll replace the fuse with the another one. Actually, I don't have the ceramic fuse. I will use glass fuse of 3.15 ampere. Same glass fuse, 3.15 ampere. So I will use this fuse only. So this fuse is good. I will put this fuse now. So we have fixed the fuse. Now we'll check the voltages. I will switch it on now and we'll check the voltage. Before it was coming 13 volt over here. Now we must get some at least more than 35 volt. We'll check that one, and I'm switching on now. I put it on, so we'll check now. Okay, thirty-six voltage. Now it's coming perfect. Here on pin number 5 of audio IC. See guys, now 36 coming. Before it was coming only 12, 13 volt, something like that. Okay guys, so now the fuse was blown off. Due to that this two audio IC supply is not receiving. So we'll connect it back in the box and we'll check the sound. So guys, I fixed it in the box. This is the connector, everything. This is the power supply connector from the transformer. So we'll now put it on. So now we'll put it on. It's on. So we'll connect the USB. Well guys, it's working. Okay guys, it's working, see. So the problem was the fuse. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, share it, like it, and advise other friends also to watch my video. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.